Hi, and welcome to another Countycomm video. Today we're excited to share with you a little product that we have been playing with here for the last month or two, on and off again. It has turned actually into a parlor game for us. This is what we're doing at break time. This is what we're doing after work when we go out. So we wanted to share it with you. Yes, it's an unassuming little vinyl pouch. It's an awesome vinyl pouch, by the way. But inside is, oh my God, a clear padlock. And actually, hope that you can really see the detail. I know you can in our still photos. It is actually an awesome lock. If it wasn't clear plastic, it might fool you into thinking it's very secure. But you know what? Here's the bad news, is that we also include this. These tools will take most padlocks and make you question their security. It also might end up costing you some money because you're going to have to rekey your house, put new locks on it. Anyway, look at this. Lock tools. And an assortment of lock tools. How cool is that? So a little bit of everything going on here. They give you quite the assortment. They give you little wrenches. This is not going to be a class on lockpicking because there are so many YouTube videos on lockpicking that are going to be superior to ours. So, this is just to show you, look at these wonderful tools they give you. And, this is going to help you with your new career as a locksmith. And so we've been practicing, and I'm a little out of practice, but let's see what we can do here. The cutaway view lets us actually see the work we're doing. So how cool is that? And I'm going to just put some, we'll do that, a little bit right there. That's going to go there. And I'm going to take this pick. And again, like I said, there's so many good YouTube videos up online. I'm just going to be working on the pins a little bit at a time. Don't let me down. Don't embarrass me. Here we go. Click. So that's great. You can open. So we do that for time here at Countycomm. We compete with our friends, compete with our coworkers, because sometimes they're not our friends, but we like to think they are. And look at this. Now, this is not included. This is a master padlock. This is not included. But the skills that we just learned from that plastic lock can be used here. So again, look at this. I hope I'm not embarrassing myself. Come on. Oh, there it is. So God, I did the security lock a little, or the minimal security lock, because obviously I'm not as impressed with this padlock as I was prior to playing with the lock manipulation training kit. So hope you check it out. If nothing else, this is a cool coffee table piece of equipment, and amaze your friends. Like I said, prepare for your new career as a locksmith. This is an awesome, awesome, fun time. Not sure how long they're going to be here at Countycomm. Wide variety of tools. Super value. We'll see you on our next video. Take care.